Hello, my name is Yangji Choi. I'm in 11th grade from Cabrillo Marine Aquarium at San Pedro. My research project is based on the effect of pH on fucoxanthin concentration in Isochrysis gabana. I decided to research about fucoxanthin because of its high potential as an effective nutritional and antibiotic source with effects in cancer, anti-obesity, and in many different areas. From previous researchers about the optimal pH level of Isochrysis gabana, my hypothesis for this research project is that the culture with pH of 8 would have the highest concentration of fucoxanthin. The length of this project is 3 days, and this project is divided into 5 different steps. First, the preparation, culturing, filtration, extraction, and calculation. In the preparation process, the isochrysis were prepared into 4 different flasks with pH of 6, 7, 8, and 9 with a volume of 1,000 milliliters and 15 million cells per microliter. The culture with pH of 6, 7, and 8 were created with seawater that has a pH of 4. The culture with pH of 9 was created with an addition of NaOH. During the culturing process, the pH were measured every single day. After the 3 days period, the filtration process occurred. The Isochrysis gabana was filtered with a vacuum pump. The filtration paper were put under desiccation at -20 degrees Celsius, which were stored up to 30 days. After those 30 days, the extraction process occurred. The Isochrysis gabana were extracted using 90% analytical acetone. Those cultures were centrifuged for 15 minutes at 3,000 RPM. Those cultures were then used under spectrophotometer with specific wavelengths that is instructed under the research papers. And after that, with the absorbances, the calculation process comes here. So with the calculation and the use of Google Sheets and RStudio, these 2 graphs were made. The first graph, which shows the average concentration of chlorophyll A in Isochrysis gabana, has a p-value of 0.702. And the second graph here shows the average chlorophyll C concentration in Isochrysis gabana, which has a p-value of 0.906. The fucoxanthin concentration can be calculated with the correlation between the chlorophyll A and C. Because these 2 have a high p-value, it shows that pH does not have a significance in the fucoxanthin concentration in Isochrysis gabana. Therefore, through this project, I'd like to prove that Isochrysis gabana is an optimal source for fucoxanthin production because pH does not have an effect on it. For my future research projects, I'd like to research more about how to maximize the fucoxanthin production in Isochrysis gabana. Thank you for listening.